Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Cultivating Elegance, timeless French garden design ideas. The classic French garden, or jardin à la Française, is the pinnacle of formal elegance and human artistry triumphing over nature. Born in the 17th century, most famously with André Le Noutre's designs for the Palace of Versailles, this style is built on principles of symmetry, order, and grandeur. It transforms outdoor spaces into breathtaking outdoor rooms, extending the architecture of the home into the landscape. While expansive in its original form, the core principles can be adapted to gardens of almost any size. If you dream of a space that is both structured and sublime, exploring these design ideas is the perfect starting point. Let's delve into the key elements that define this iconic style. At the very heart of every French garden lies a strong central axis that provides a powerful sense of order and balance. This main pathway or sightline typically runs straight from the house, drawing the eye towards a focal point in the distance, such as a statue, fountain, or pavilion. All other elements of the garden are then arranged symmetrically on either side of this central line, creating perfect mirror images. This layout is not just aesthetically pleasing, it symbolizes control, rationality, and the human desire to impose harmony on the natural world. The vista is designed to be experienced as a whole from the main residence, offering a sweeping theatrical view. Implementing this principle, even on a small scale with a central path and balanced planting, instantly evokes the formal French spirit. The French garden is renowned for its elaborate parterres de broderie, intricate, low-level planting beds that resemble embroidered patterns when viewed from above. These formal gardens are defined by their use of tightly clipped, evergreen hedges, typically of boxwood, which create the clean lines and geometric shapes of the parterre designs. The patterns within these beds were historically filled with colored gravel, sand, or low-growing plants like lavender and santolina, providing texture and contrast. This element acts as the garden's ornate carpet, offering visual interest and complexity without obstructing the grand views. The meticulous maintenance required for these features is a testament to the garden's controlled and curated nature. Today, simplified parterre designs with hardy boxwood or dwarf Yupon holly can create a similar formal effect with less intensive upkeep. Water is an essential component, employed not for a naturalistic feel, but for its reflective qualities and dynamic movement. Still, mirror-like pools are strategically placed along the central axis to double the impact of the landscape, reflecting the sky, architecture, and sculptures to enhance the sense of space. Dynamic elements like fountains and cascades introduce sound, movement, and a celebration of human engineering, often featuring classical or mythological figures as their centerpieces. The hydraulics were a marvel of their time, symbolizing mankind's ability to harness the elements. The sound of trickling or splashing water adds a layer of auditory serenity to the visual grandeur. Incorporating a simple reflecting basin or a classic tiered fountain can immediately elevate a garden's formal ambience. To further solidify the garden's role as an outdoor room, stone is used extensively for pathways, terraces, steps, and balustrades. This hardscaping provides permanent structure and a neutral palette that allows the greenery and flowers to stand out. Classical ornamentation is then strategically placed to punctuate the design and guide the journey through the space. You will find elements like stone urns planted with annuals, weathered lead statues depicting gods or nymphs, and carved stone benches positioned at key vantage points. These features add a sense of history, artistry, and vertical interest to the predominantly horizontal landscape. Selecting a few key pieces, such as a pair of classic urn planters flanking a staircase or a solitary bench at the end of a path, can instill a timeless, elegant character.